Hi, I'm going to making the butter garlic scallop today. Before I start, I'm going to preheat the air fryer for 400 for 3 minutes. So just let it run. I have about 9 scallop. I'm going to sprinkle some salt and red pepper. The butter look like this. Sprinkle some onion powder and also the garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And some about 2 tablespoons of milk butter. Okay, the scallop, you see they have a piece on the side, and that piece they are tough, they are not tender, so I don't want it. I'm going to remove it. And right here too, so you just pick it out like this. That one all done, and some have and some don't, but mostly they have it. So I'm going to remove that. That one too. See the pieces on the side? Okay, this is all look good. Make sure you dry them really well and get the moisture out of the scallop. It looks good. And then I'm going to sprinkle some red pepper, salt in it. And the other side too. And I'm going to sprinkle some garlic powder in it. Okay, mix well. Some onion powder in it. Okay, turn the other side. Okay, looks good. Then I mix them well. And the last thing is I'm going to add the butter in it. Okay, I'm going to put a cornstarch in it. A little bit butter. Looks good. It looks good. I'm gonna put it in there and 410 minutes. 5 minutes up. So I'm gonna look at it. Looks good. So I'm gonna turn it over another side. Okay, I'm gonna do another 5 minutes. Okay, another 5 minutes up. So I'm gonna remove it. Okay, that's I make today air fryer butter garlic scallop.